Hi, I'm Mike with AUTEL. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the charging cable and a charging module on the MaxiCharger DC Fast. I'll take you step by step through this process via regulatory best practices. Place a caution sign on the front of the charger indicating it is undergoing maintenance. Place the charging cables on the ground around the charger so that the front door can open. Open the door. Turn the power off. Open the side door by turning the side handle and unlocking the top and bottom hatches. Measure voltage to ensure the power is off. Loosen the screws holding the black and red charging cables in place with a ratchet wrench. Loosen the screw for the PE cable. Loosen the sensor wires with a flathead screwdriver and take them out. Unscrew the brackets. Cut off the zip ties holding the cables in place. Pull the cables through the hole. Loosen the knob on the other side of the door with a wrench. Pull the cable down through the hole. Prepare the new cable as shown. Insert the cables into the hole. Tighten the knob with a wrench. Hang the cables over the door. Screw in the top bracket. Insert the red and black cables through the hole. Pull the shrink sleeve over the cables. Screw in the red, black, and PE cables. Insert the sensor wires and tighten. Screw in the last bracket. Shut the side door in place. When you are finished, turn on the power and shut the front door. To replace a charging module, open the front door and turn off the power as shown in the beginning. The charging modules can be accessed via the right side door. Loosen the 4 screws on the module. Loosen the middle black screw and take out the module. Insert the new module. Tighten the screws. Shut the right side door. When you are finished, turn the power on and shut the front door. Take the maintenance sign off.